Hey folks, Eric from Orchestra Gold, and this is the Gold Transmission. Today we're going inside one of the songs. Let's do it. For the longest time, I've wanted to figure out a way to take y'all behind the scenes a little bit. Creating demos has been a really integral part of our work, and they're really fun. And I've gotten feedback from other people in the band that the demos are some of the funnest versions of the songs. So this, I guess, live listening podcast, if you could call it that, is really designed to get you behind the scenes, behind the curtain, and see how all the soup and everything else is made. And the first one seems like a really good one to start with is dakan. And what we're going to do here today is I'm going to, first of all, walk you through the demo version of the song. And then I'm going to kind of refer back to it and show you little bits and snippets of other things. And then we're going to listen to the actual full mixed and mastered version of the song. Now let's head over to Mariama and talk about the lyrics for this song. Mariama.
Yes.
How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you?
I'm still here. Alhamdulillah.
Yeah.
I'm still here.
Mm-hmm.
I wanted to ask you about the lyrics for dakan.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What can you describe what is dakan for me?
You asking what mean dakan?
Yeah.
Dakan is bambara, but it's destiny.
Destiny.
Yeah.
Can you give me an example?
Okay. I am singer.
Mm-hmm.
It's my destiny.
Mm-hmm.
And I am dancer. It's my destiny. I do lot of things, and I know it's my destiny because it's very easy for me.
So if something is easy for you, sometimes it can be your destiny.
Yeah, because if it's not, it's gonna be hard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. To sing is very easy for me.
Mm-hmm.
Even I am sick, I can sing. Yeah, and dance.
Wow.
Yeah.
So for the song Dakan that we have on our record, I know you talk about all the different things that you do. You talk about how you're a singer, how you're a dancer. You talk about braiding hair also. All these things.
Yeah. Yeah, I talk about I am singer and dancer, and I play different instruments.
Yep.
And I braid hair, and I show the clothes.
Sewing clothes.
Yeah, sewing clothes.
Yeah.
You see, today I did 2 clothes and to sell, and
you were doing clothes this morning.
yeah, and when I am in Mali, and my job is different there more than here, and I make the clothes, and I make the henna, and people pay me.
Oh, you did henna for people.
Yeah, I did henna, and people pay.
Nice.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. That's cool.
Yeah.
I know.
And yeah.
And was it your destiny to come to America?
Yeah, it's destiny. Yeah.
Yeah. Is there a message for other people in the song Dakan? Like you're singing about your destiny, but is it also a message for other people?
No, really. But, I say, everything I say is my destiny, and I say, if you are king, it's destiny. If you are rich, it's destiny. If
If you're rich,
yeah, it's destiny.
it's
And,
destiny.
yeah, some people work hard to make money, but they make just a little bit of money. It's destiny. And some people don't work hard and they make a lot of money. It's destiny.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So there's not a message directly, but the point is we should have respect for our destiny.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And thank you for asking me.
You're very welcome.
Thank you for asking.
Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. Have a wonderful day.
Okay. Great. So that's Mariama talking about dakan. Let's talk about the demos now. First of all, let me just let you know that I create all the demo versions for our songs inside of Reason. And I've been using Reason 12 since I was like in my 20s. And it's just like one of those habits that I have a really hard time shaking. But I seem to know where to go to get certain things in it. So for that, it's helpful just because I'm used to it. And this song, Dakan, stepping back a little bit, is a song that Mariama wrote the lyrics for, and her and I collaborated on the music. The story behind this song is I was playing a guitar line that I'm going to show you here really quickly first, like in solo, so you could hear it. And then she came out and was listening to that and was like, "Oh, that's interesting. We could turn that into a song." So this is like what that guitar line sounds like soloed. I'm going to play it here for you in just a second so you could kind of check that out. And then now I'm going to unmute the other side of this. So that guitar on the right channel is the lick that Mariama heard. And let me just explain that on the left side, what you're hearing is the full guitar lick that started it all. And then on the right-hand side, what you're hearing is what that lick eventually became after some editing and other things happened to it. I'm going to play the same thing for you with the riff in the background, with the drums in the background, so you can get a sense of what the rhythm was like for this. And before I do that, what I'm going to tell you is that the drums for this part came from an old Rao band song. So there's a band called, if you're not familiar, there's a band from Mali, West Africa, called Rail Band, Rail Band, R-A-I-L, and they were associated with the train, and that's why they got that name. But this was Salif Keita's first band, really big in Mali in the 60s and 70s. And there is an awesome track by them called Nanthan, and it's what Malians would call Numu Foli, which is sort of a style, maybe a tiny subgenre of music that sings praises to blacksmith folks. And I'm going to play that track for you right now here. And we ended up taking the drum groove from that song. So that's the Nanthan song by Super Rail Band. Now, I'm going to play with you the groove here inside of the orchestra gold song, and you can hear how the guitar plays around with it. I really like that fuzz guitar sound. For the nerds in the audience, that is a Keeley fuzz bender that I used for that. Okay, so now I'm going to play for you the whole demo version of the song. This is our demo version for Dakan.
dakan pamakebana dakan itakiri dakan pantanina dakan itakiri dakan waritigina dakan kolokolo na dakan nezakeran dakan jude.
We just listened to the demo version of Dakan, and a couple things I wanted to just point out here. The lyrics are mariamas. The song is about destiny. Dakan means destiny in the Bamana language, and it's really about how our life paths lead us in all these random directions. And though it may seem random from our perspective, there's a deeper divine purpose behind all of it. And so in the song, Mariama kind of talks about her life path coming here to form Orchestra Gold from Mali, braiding hair and doing all the other things that she does. She's a mother, a grandmother, all these other things. And so it's a beautiful kind of meditation on the deeper purpose behind the things that we do. On more of a technical note, the organ sound that you hear is how we approximate the horn sound on our demos. So you'll hear that moving forward if we do more of these. And as far as the lyrics, Mariama came up with the idea pretty much complete. And what we normally do is we'll do a backing track, and then we will go through and she'll do like an initial pass, and she'll just kind of freestyle vocals on top of that backing track. So in this version, I'm going to play you what the backing track would have sounded like that she did her initial work on. So let me just cue that up here. And I think I did the bass on that in the demo. And I do actually I do all the instrumentation on these, which sometimes comes out pretty poorly, but I do what I can. And this was a fun one too, because I got to play with this tempo feature in inside of Reason that allows you to kind of like speed and slow things down. So that's what this part is right here. This is me using that tempo feature. So that's what that was. And I can actually remember exactly where I was when that popped into my head. I was driving in Tennessee from Memphis to Nashville, and I was in the car, and my brain was just going back and forth over that part because I was having trouble connecting the end of this part right here that we just did, the licks, to that ending, and that, for those that are interested, is actually a Malian rhythm called Jomfoli. That is what that part is based on. So lots of Malian rhythmic flair going on in this track. I'm going to attach to this the final version of dakan, so you can, if you really wanted to, compare the demo version and the final version with you can compare them and see how they sound and what the differences are and what the similarities are, because there's a lot of similarities. Basically the arrangements are almost all there in the demos. And now, without further ado, this is the album version of dakan. You know, I gotta honestly say, I'm pretty proud of that track. I think it turned out really, really well. I wanted to shout out really quickly a person who is integral to this entire process, and that is Sergio Rios, Oregon. Sergio came in, mixed the record, and he did a wonderful job. He really nailed the psychedelic element that we were going for. He did things to Mariama's vocals that were just incredibly creative, and he just gave all the tracks this sort of other texture that I think just really, really works. So if you ever listen to this, Sergio, thank you. And if any of y'all are out there in the market for someone to do mixing, I would highly, highly, highly recommend him. That's it for this one. This is Eric Huffaker from Orchestra Gold, and this is the Gold Transmission. If you want to go deeper, the vault is where we keep the good stuff, demos, unreleased recordings, behind the scenes music, and more. It's a pay what you want subscription model, and you can get in for as little as $4 a month. Find it at orchestragold.com. And by the way, we really do want to hear from you, what you liked, what you didn't, and what you want more of. Reach out to us at orchestragold@gmail.com. See you on the next one, everyone.